Hello everybody! Today I'm going to tell you about an amazing kit which I received from Tiny Tots Station. The name of the kit is Alphabet Playdough Kit. Actually, I love the name because one, alphabet, two, Play-Doh. So the things which you want a tiny tot of a 2-year-old or 3-year-old to know, it is there in the kit. So in that kit, it has these 4 Play-Dohs, the 26 alphabet cards. The cards are like this, in which you can either use Play-Doh or you can use these sketch pens to design your own mats. That is one. Secondly, if you look at the Play-Doh, these are the Play-Dohs. So they have given 4 Play-Dohs of different colors: blue, yellow, red, green. Now, the Play-Doh are extremely nice, very soft, very eco-friendly, and the amazing part about this kit is they are made of flour, cream of tartar, salt, coconut oil and food color. So it is safe for children, which we are always worried about, and they have given this amazing manual which talks about how can we take care of our dough which we receive in the kit. Now that is one. Now they have also given certain flower stencil for the children to play, a knife. I love this rolling pin, a cute rolling pin which literally my son runs around in the whole house to play with. So that is amazing. Now why should you buy this kit, and what are the amazing things about the kit? Number one, it is very good for sensory development. Now sensory organs are eyes, nose, ears, touch, feel. So all these are sensory organs. They are getting activated because the lovely smell of the dough, they are feeling it, they are seeing which color. So all the sense organs are getting activated because of this. Number two, they develop coordination and motor skills. Now if I look at this apple tree, you need to place the apples. So if my motor skills are not developed, I will place it haywire. I will not place it correctly. Now number three, it increases the attention span. Normally a 3 to 4-year-old child will have attention span of about 8 to 16 minutes, not more than that. But with this kit, approximate children can play more than half hour. So my child is actually he is 2.8, 2.9. Now with him I could see he played with this kit for 45 minutes, which was quite an achievement, and he was well engrossed in it. Now number four, it builds the imagination. I'll tell you how. So I had given him this card in which there's a bee, and he had to place the bee lines like this. But instead of that, what he did is he mixed 2-3 colors and he said, "Mama, this is a rainbow bee," which was a very smart thing, which means the imagination capacity is developed. Number 5 is it boosts the self-esteem of the child. I am just giving a normal dough to the child. That means that is nothing. So from nothing, if he's building something, he feels an achievement. Yes, I have done something. Number 6, which we parents are always worried about, that is, it is more to do with child-led play, which means the child is, this play is for the child. So parents do not need to interfere. They need to be there as a passive people present there, but they don't need to be actively there. Number 7, it helps you in skill development. So different kind of skills are getting developed by this kind of an activity. Number 8, it is an open-ended toy, which means the child can choose the way he wants to do with this toy. Can use it like an alphabet cards, can do it with a sketch pen cards, can use it as a Play-Doh card, can use it like simple Play-Doh playing activity. So it's an open-ended thing. The Play-Doh which has been made sure that it is child-friendly. It is that good that children can use it without any pressure. So which effectively means that the child is not, it's not harmful for the child. So they have given me a complete note which says how to take care of my Play-Doh, and which also says that sometimes when the Play-Doh becomes a little hard, you can put some oil or you can put some water to make it soft again, and the Play-Doh is extremely soft. Like if I touch from my hand, it is so smooth and so soft. And then lastly, it is beautifully designed for children, and it is for your right and left brain development, and it is amazing for that. So all in all, I superbly love the kit. I am so honored, I'm so grateful. Thanks a lot, Tiny Tots Station, and I'll leave the link for this kit in my description below. So if you want to buy, of course you can either DM me, you can message me, or you can click on the link and directly buy. So that's all for now. Take care of yourself, make your child more imaginative, more smart, make your child fly their wings and enjoy their day. So take care of yourself. Happy parenting. Love you all.